Good morning, grade 6. Welcome to our online class. Okay, today is the last day of our online classes. So next week, back to normal, right? Okay, so today we were going to learn about two topics. So last meeting we discussed about the components of electricity. Right, so do you remember that? So we have, I prepared 5 questions for you just to identify the symbol of these components, like the battery, the wire, connecting wires, and then what else? The bulb or the load, and of course the symbol and its uses, right? So before we start with our topic, we have 2 topics to learn today. I prepared how to produce a brighter light. Second is how to dim the light. Okay, how the light bulb become dimmer and how the light bulb become brighter. And the second one is how to connect the electric circuit proper, because if the connection is not proper, so you cannot produce a bright light. At the same time, the load cannot work. So are you ready? So today we have only 23 viewers, so I am waiting. So by the way, grade 6, I'm checking your Google form, your unit test about rocks. So I get 165 responses. So I'm waiting for the others. So probably this day only, it will no one can answer that. So you may take a unit test probably in test paper. So if you are plan to answer the unit test, so you can do it online. Okay, so today is the last day to answer your unit test. Okay, so let's before I start, may I welcome to those who are online today. So we have 6/2, 6/5 number 28, 6/6 number 4, 6/2 number 41, and 6/8, 6/5 number 4, 6/2 number 46, 6/8 number 11, and 6/5 number 28. So guys, welcome to our online class. I think this is the last online class and we will meet next meeting. Okay, so since I told you that we're going to discuss the 2 topics for today, so let's have a review first for our last lesson. So last meeting we discussed about the components, right? The components of a simple electric circuit, how the load works, it's because of this component. So without this component, so the load or probably the bulb do not produce a bright light or no light at all because the connection or this one of this component is missing. So we will going to identify what are the the symbol of this. Number 1 is switch. So this is a switch. So which one their symbol? A, B, C, D, or E. So this is, look at this switch if it is open or closed. Let me see who get the correct answer. Just comment the letter only. Okay, who's that? Letter A and letter A. So yes, very good. Okay, the correct answer is letter A. That is open circuit. Okay, it's open switch. It is open, right? Okay, Next is number 2. For number 2, what is the next component? Okay, the bulb. Which one here? A, B, C, or D? Symbol of bulb. Letter, please write in English. Okay, the answer is, which one here is the symbol of bulb? Letter, okay, the first, 6/5 number 28 said letter D. Okay, correct. Wow. Okay, so the correct answer is letter D. Sometimes they use this one, right? In like this. Teacher's not good in drawing. Okay, sometimes like this, right? Okay, next number. What is the symbol of this component? The battery or the dry cell? What is the symbol? Letter A, B, C, D, and E. What is the symbol of dry cell? It is letter B. Okay, who's that? 6/4 number 1. His answer is letter B. Correct. The correct answer is letter B. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal and this is one battery only. Okay, so if there's 2 battery, double this one. Next, another. Do we have more? Okay, what is the symbol of this component? What is the symbol of this component? A, B, C, D, or E? Okay, letter E. Okay, so fast. Okay. Number 20, the answer is letter E. Okay, very good. So, letter E is the correct answer. As simple like a horizontal line only. So, this is connecting wires. Sometimes they call it crocodile wires. Okay, is there more? Do we have? Okay, what is the symbol of this component? Okay, so that is switch. But look at the picture. Is that open or closed? Okay, letter. Wow, very good. You are right. Please don't forget to write your room number and your number also. Okay? Okay, you are right. Very good. Grade 6. The correct answer is closed circuit. It is closed. Okay? This is closed and the one is open. If it is open, it should be like this. Okay? Up. Okay, next. No more? Okay, and now let's proceed to our activity. I prepared an activity for you. I hope it works. Okay, this is very simple only to show to you how the electricity works. First, can you make an electric circuit that lights up the bulb? So that is the first one, the first topic that we're going to learn. What is the proper way? How do we connect the components in order to light up the bulbs? And the second topic is, can we make bulb light up brighter and dimmer? So the first thing that we're going to do is to light up the bulb. Okay, so let's proceed to procedure number 1. Okay, so let me show you first, before we proceed to our procedure. So let me show you first okay, you cannot see. Okay, so let's familiarize first the components. The first, we have the switch. We will use the switch for our safety to open the close the circuit. And then we have the connecting wires so that the electricity flow in it and reach the load or the bulb. Third is we need this one is bulb holder. Bulb holder, I have here a bulb holder, this one. This is bulb holder. Okay, and this one. Okay, this is the bulb holder and the battery holder. So battery holder I have here. Where is my battery holder? This one. Okay, this is the battery holder and the bulb and the battery. Okay, so next. Procedure number 1. So here, proper ways how to light up the bulb. So what are the ways? So what is the proper ways to light up the bulb? So it's very simple, class, how to light up the bulb. So try many ways to join them together. Draw your circuit diagrams below. In which circuits does the bulb light up? Okay, supposedly this is your activity, but this is online, so I will show it to you so that you know where is the answer, right? Okay, so we have here, there is a connecting wire connected already with the battery. And then we have a bulb here and a bulb holder. Okay, so do we need a switch? Okay, I have switch here. So later we will use a switch, but this is a very simple electric circuit without using a switch. So we call it direct. Okay, direct. So first, battery, and then the wires, the load or the bulb. Try in many ways to join them together. Okay, so let's do letter A. So this is letter A, class. Okay, for letter A, can you see? This is for letter A. So connect like this. Okay, it light up. So this is letter A. And then for letter B. So this is for letter B. The one wire is connected, but the other one is not connected. Okay, so no light. The bulb do not light up. Okay, this is for letter B. And then for letter C, so both wire, they are in the same terminal. Okay, same terminal, and then connected into the bulb. It is connected, but they are in the same. Like, okay, wait. Okay, so both wires, it should be in the other terminal, and they are connected in the same terminal of the battery. So, of course, the bulb don't light up. And for letter D, at the same terminal also, but in negative. Okay, like this. For letter C, they are in positive. Both wires in positive. And then in letter D, both wires in negative. But the effect is it don't light up the bulb. Okay, so let's try to, can we answer now? We try these 4 ways how to connect the components so that we can light up the bulb, right? And we notice that only in letter A, the bulb light up. Okay, so in letter A, so that is proper. If the connecting wires is open or it has a break, the bulb don't light up. For letter C, if the both wires in the same terminal are like positive terminal, the bulb don't light up too. Another case here, if both connecting wires in a negative terminal, the bulb don't light up. So therefore, the correct way how to construct or connect the components is letter A. Easy, right? Okay, let's proceed. What is your conclusion in this activity? So what is our conclusion here? Based from the teacher who can make a sentence, just a short sentence. Okay, I'm going to read just like 3 minutes. I'm going to read your answer if the answer is correct. Okay, I read only the correct answer. What is your conclusion in this activity? So meaning, how do we light up the bulb? What is the proper ways how the components connect each other so that the bulb light up? Okay, so who will going to answer? Let me see. I will. Why? Okay. So anybody, what is our conclusion here? Why the bulb light up? Okay, the battery make the light have light. Okay, yes, you have an idea. Oh, why your brain hard? It's very easy topic. Okay, it have homework. Oh, homework. No, we must connect the battery and the bulb using wire. Yes, correct. You should connect it properly. Very good. What else? The electricity circuit must have a wire, battery, and light bulb. Okay, very good, Tanadol. And another is because light bulb have energy. No, the battery of energy. The chemical energy inside become an electric energy and the electric energy become light energy. Okay, next we have another letter here. Okay, so based from your answer, so you are right, correct. It can make an electric circuits that light up the bulb by connecting the wire and the battery. Of course, it's very important. The source of our electricity, right? So here it shows to us not only from battery is the source of energy. Of course, the supply of electricity in our home, in industry, in your car. So it has many sources. This is only an example how the electricity works. That the chemical energy inside the dry cells, it converts into electrical energy, right? Okay, so like the electricity that we use in our home, we use the fuel to produce a huge amounts of electrical energy. Okay, the second is we have the second activity here. Can we make bulb light up brighter and dimmer? So when you hear the word dimmer, class, dimmer meaning this one. Dimmer, not so bright. Okay, not so bright. How can we make the bulb become brighter? Very bright. And how does the bulb become dimmer or produce dim light? Okay, in this activity, we will try to explain this. Why the bulb become dim and why the bulb produce a bright light, right? Okay, so of course, we are going to use this. I have here a simple demonstration. Hope you can see. Can you see it? Okay, it's very simple. I made it yesterday. So I hope it works so that you will see the difference between the dimmer or the effects of these amounts of load or the amounts of battery. So number one, build an electric circuit with battery to light up a bulb. Okay, we will make a very simple we will make a very simple connection like this one. Okay? So this is direct class. Next meeting, if we're going to study about the series circuit, parallel circuit, we will use this switch. Okay? But today, we're gonna make use first the direct without switch. Okay? So to make it easy for you to understand. Okay? So build the circuits with battery to light up a bulb. Draw a circuit. That's simple like this. So I'm using two batteries. Okay, these two batteries, does it light up the bulb? I hope it works because it has a problem this morning. Oh, this is what Okay, so I think I need a connection wire. Does it light up? I hope it works because I have a problem this morning about this. And then oh, what happened? How? Why is not working? Hello, teacher. Okay. Okay. I hope it works.
สักครู่นะเด็กๆเดี๋ยวทิเชอร์กำลังต่อให้ดูนะคะ
Yes.
อันนี้เป็นการต่อวงจรไฟฟ้าเนาะ
Oh.
เป็นการทบทวนนะคะ
It's not working, huh? What happened? Okay, it's the same with this. It's the same like this class. So this is
okay.
Yeah. I think there's something wrong with that. Okay, so this is the first procedure. It's the same with this. It's not working.
รบกวนมาดูให้หน่อยค่ะมันไม่ติด
Okay, this one.
โอเคทิเชอร์
Okay, this one. It work. I hold it. Okay, thank you, teacher. Okay, this one. Okay, this is the first procedure, right? Okay, we'll build the circuit and then to light up the bulb. So this is the first number one procedure. For number two, okay, thank you, teacher. Observe the brightness of the bulb. So how do we observe it? So how can you say the brightness of a bulb? We are using two battery, two dry cell, and one bulb only. So of course, so what do you observe the brightness of the bulb? Is it like dim or bright? It produces bright light or not so bright? It's so bright. Okay. So he said, what's that? Who's that saying that? It said it is bright. Yes, it is bright light. Okay, it is bright. Next, number two. Number two is, so the bulb produces bright light. And then number three. For number three, add another battery to the existing battery. Side by side, does the bulb light up brighter? So today, we are going to compare, okay? Using 4 battery, we're gonna use 4 battery here. Let's have 4 battery. Sure. Okay, we're gonna use the 4 battery and then Is it light up? And where is the? Okay. That is red. This one is black.
Nah.
Okay. Hi. Okay. So compared to this, okay, remember our first procedure. My teacher, help me. This is 2 battery and this is 1 battery. Compare. Okay, that's good. How about, okay, so you're going now to compare which one is brighter. The bulb with 2 battery or the bulb with 4 batteries. Which one is brighter? Okay, the 2 batteries or the 4 batteries? Let me see. Adding the batteries will make the bulb brighter. By adding the bulb will make the bulb dimmer. Okay, you are right. Okay, the bulb with 4 batteries. Correct. 6/3, number 20. Thank you, teacher. Okay, so meaning if we add 1 load only, 1 battery, 1 bulb, 2 battery, it produces bright light, of course, right? But if you are adding batteries, this is 2 and these are 4. 4 batteries and then 1 load, 1 bulb. So if we're going to compare the brightness of the bulb, of course, the one who had 4 batteries, it produced more brighter than the first one. Right? Okay, you are correct. So, next. What is the answer? Okay, the bulb light up. So, the answer is, does the bulb light up brighter or dimmer? Of course, the bulb light up brighter. In 4 battery. Next is number 4. For number 4, add another bulb to the existing bulb. Oh, so we're gonna use from 4 batteries, 1 bulb. And then we're going to use 4 batteries, existing 1 bulb, take away battery, leaving a battery and 2 bulbs. Does the bulb light up brighter or dimmer? So compare 4 batteries, 1 bulb, and then 2 bulbs. 2 bulbs in 4 batteries. So we need a connecting wires here. So I have connecting wires, additional connecting wires. Ouch. This one. So soon you will learn how to connect the wires, okay? So let's have here. Okay. Observe. Now, last, we connect 1 bulb for 4 batteries. So you see the difference of the brightness of the bulb, right? Then now, 4 batteries, 2 bulbs. So what do you observe? Okay, what do you observe the brightness of the bulb? Anybody? Let me see your answer. Okay, what do you observe? When we are using 2 battery compared to 4 batteries to 1 bulb, 4 batteries to 2 bulbs. So what is the difference between them? Which setup produce brighter light and which one is dim or dimmer? Okay, third is brightest. The third, which one is brightest? Okay, so 6/2 number 41 said it's dimmer. Yeah, very good. It's dim. So, meaning, if you add more load but the same number of batteries or supply of energy, so therefore, the supply of energy also is lesser, right? Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, let me hear your observation here. So At sana daw, the first light bulb is brighter and dimmer than the second. Yes, you are correct. And then, more battery. Where is that? More battery, more bright. The more bright. Okay, correct. Next, we have, yes, it is dimmer. Correct. Who's that? 6 slash 3, number 20. Okay, so you get the right answer. How to dim the light bulb and how that light bulb produce a bright light, right? Okay, so meaning class that in this activity, it will show you that if we have a bunch of load, or like for example of bulbs, if we use more bulbs, you should add more battery so that it can produce bright light. But if you have more loads, like if we use like 10, 10 bulbs for four batteries, so I don't think so it produces a light or it makes light up the bulb. Probably no, right? Okay, so therefore, to summarize the topic for today, we can produce a bright light if we have a less bulb or less load. Then, if you have more load, so therefore, the bulb produce a dim light. So, by adding the batteries, it produce light or it produce a brighter light. Okay, so the question is, does the bulb light up brighter or dimmer in this activity? Of course, in number 4, it is dimmer, right? Compared to one bulb. Next, we have here, how do we make a bulb light up brighter? How to make light up brighter? So you know this already. You have the answer, right? To make a bulb produce more brighter light, you should add more battery. Add more battery to produce more energy, electrical energy. Number 6, how do we make a bulb light up dimmer? Okay, how? Of course, by adding the load. So add more bulb, it produce a dim light. Okay, next we have, okay, so to generalize the circuit, we have the complete circuit or incomplete circuit class. So complete circuit, if the circuit produce this is a complete circuit, meaning it produce the bulb light or light, it light up the bulb. But if it's not complete, so meaning the connection is broken like this. Okay, if it is complete, so the flow of electricity is continuous flowing of electricity. But if it is incomplete, so therefore there's a broken space. There is a space so that the flow of the electricity stop. That's why the bulb don't light up. It's because it is open circuit. It's the same. It is applied in switch on and switch off as well. To break the circuit, you need to open, right? And then closed circuit, it should be closed. So meaning the electricity flows continuously. Do you understand? Are you ready for this? For our test, of course. We have our worksheets, but I'm not giving you an online worksheets. So probably next week. Okay, another here, class. The complete and the incomplete And then get ready for announcements. So we have 5 minutes left. So I would like to announce class about our speaking test. So I'm done with your reading test through online. I'm done with your writing test through online. So see to it that you answer it properly because that is recorded. That is your score. And then, so we have a speaking test. This is the last test. So speaking test, you can choose either the rock cycle or the effects of forces. So in effects of forces, I will show the pictures and then you will going to identify how the forces affects in our daily activities, right? So I'm going to give you a 6 pictures and tell something about that. That is our that's for speaking test for forces. And then for the rock cycles, a simple like you're going to explain about the cycle. Okay, here is one for the speaking test. So if you choose the rock cycle, you're gonna explain about the cycle of the rock. So like for example, in sedimentation or in sediment, how these sedimentary rocks form. Of course, we have the basic, right? The weathering and erosion, and the two factors why the rock become metamorphic is like the pressure and heat. So please prepare like 5 sentences or more for to explain about the rock cycle. And then if you like forces, so the effects of forces only. So the pictures are hidden because you might I will change the pictures that we used before. So get ready for our speaking test. So next week, I'll give you time to review for our speaking test. You choose only one topic, either rocks or forces. Okay, please write in time so that I can read your answer. So what's that? So who are they? I'm very ready for forces. Okay, very good. So if you know forces, there are only 6, right? So try to practice. You have a time. You have a lot of time to practice at home. How do you deliver in front of the class? Remember, I don't want you to speak just only 2 of us. I want you to speak in front of the class, right? So get ready. Next week, we will start speaking test. Perfect. 10 points. Okay, so we have 3 minutes more. I let you to ask questions about electricity. So I'll give you time these 3 minutes. If you have questions about electric circuit, about our topic for today, about components, okay, you are. I will try to answer. So I have time to answer you just like 2 minutes. The first bulb is brighter and dimmer than the second. Oh, yes. Which one? Okay. The first without the second bulb. Okay, you're right. Uh, who's that? I'm number 20. I must go to school on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. But science in on Wednesday. So prepare on Wednesday. Who's that? 6/3, number 20. You are the first one to speak. Okay? I will choose a lesson for you. Rock cycle. Okay? Next, how long can we speak in speaking test? Okay, so I'll give you only that's just like 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, that's enough. Okay? I know Tanadol, you are like using my entire time. Okay, just prepare just 3 minutes only, and then just speak about cycle of the rocks or the forces. That's all. Choose one only, not the two. Okay, one only. Practice at home. Okay, so No more questions about our topic for today. How to brighter the light bulb and how to make the bulb become dimmer. Okay, use the connection and of course the direct connection of a circuit. How to light up the bulb. Okay, I hope you will learn today. And the next meeting we will going to discuss about the series and parallel circuit. See you next week. Bye bye. Thank you.